Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. So today I should have grabbed it. It's behind me though. Today I am doing my first review, my first impression of this It's All Good palette from Colourpop. Let me tell you, at first I wasn't getting this palette and I was like, oh my god, I wanted it so much. And thank God the girl that I work for in PR was able to send it to me, so I was able to do a look for you guys and review it for you all. And look at this gorgeous palette. Is this not beautiful? Does this not like scream like try me? What I love about this palette is that I feel like it's in comparison to the Bare Necessities. This is like for the neutral lovers in life, and I love this palette as well. If you guys haven't seen it, I should film on it as well, so I have both of them. Excuse me. Can I hold it right this way? Thank you. Anyways, this one is gorgeous, beautiful neutral colors. It has a few pops of color, but like very like light subtle type colors, but it definitely does have a pop. So this look that I did on my eyes today, this is from the It's All Good palette. So let's not, take forever. So without further ado, let's go into it so you guys can see how I did this. Okay.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars, now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. Oh,
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. Oh, I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down.
So here is the finished look. Wow, it's all I can say about this palette from Colourpop. They certainly brought it again. The pigment is amazing. It blended wonderfully. This is a palette that I'm just like, you gotta pick it up if you're into beautiful. I almost squished that. I took pictures already, thank God. If you're a person that's into colors, and even if you're not and you want to play with something, you know, to step outside that box, because let me tell you guys, I was a very neutral girl. This is what I used to go to. I love my browns, my golds, my light colors. I was never bald. And then I started to do looks on Instagram, and slowly I came out of my box. And this is definitely a great one to come out of the box. I love that they did this. I mean, in 2019, they came out with so many different products that I was stunned, and I was honored that I have a lot of them. I don't have all of them, but I do have a lot of them, and this one I highly recommend that you guys pick it up. If you saw the swatches, I wanted to do the swatches live with you guys so you could really see how it goes, but honestly that would take forever and would be here forever because I'll be talking through it, and even if I didn't talk through it, you know, it'd still be difficult. But I'm gonna give you a few swatches of like the ones that I used today, so that way you guys can definitely, you know, see how it works. So here's 3 swatches. I'm gonna put it right here. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Yeah, I'm a little too high. I need to come down lower. Dang, that one definitely. And this is the first time I'm swatching them, so, you know, actually this is the first time, because after I'm done with the video, then I'll go ahead and swatch and show you guys how it looks. But it's amazing. Let's do this one that I kind of messed up down here so you guys could see it better. But the quality is definitely great. I haven't tried all of them. I'm definitely going to do more looks with this. So when I try more of the shades, I'll definitely let you know, I'm using paper. I'm not using a white peak, but that is intense. And I use that. Oh, I use that down here. So that's going to be interesting when I go take it off. But I prefer, that. But half of the time, all these very pigmented ones from Colourpop that I've used, they come off easily with a makeup pad or some balm remover. I think it's called balm remover. I'm not sure. Don't hold it over my head. My brain is like, I've had so much to do today, and this video has been, it started out like at 11 o'clock and I'm still doing it, and it's almost 3 o'clock. So anyways, definitely pick this up. I highly recommend it so far, and that's just on my first try. Normally I like to give things 3 times, try them 3 times before I say something, but that's good. That's really good. The rest of the products I use are going to be listed below. Like always, if you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to ask. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit like, please. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you're notified when I upload next. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And remember, there is always a positive in every negative. Good. I had a tongue twister. I'm done. Okay. You all take care. I love you.